Are you in the market for a reliable, cordless staple gun that can handle everything from basic home repairs to intricate woodworking projects? Look no further than the WORX WX844L narrow crown stapler. This tool is designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who demand precision, power, and versatility. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into a detailed review to see if this stapler is the right tool for your toolbox. The WORX WX844L is a cordless, battery-powered, narrow crown stapler that offers both power and portability. It utilizes a 20-volt PowerShare battery, which is compatible with over 75 tools in the lineup, making it a versatile addition if you already own other WORX tools. The WORX is designed with air impact technology, allowing it to deliver consistent power for driving staples into hardwood, which is particularly useful for tasks like underlayment, cabinetry, and trim work. This stapler is equipped with several user-friendly features that enhance both safety and efficiency. The tool-free jam release ensures that you can quickly clear any jams without disassembling the stapler, while the tool-free depth adjustment allows for precise control over staple depth. The narrow nose design improves visibility, making it easier to place staples accurately, even in tight spots. Additionally, the stapler's dual LED lights provide extra illumination in darker work areas, helping you maintain accuracy. Another notable feature is the dry fire lockout, which prevents the stapler from firing when the magazine is empty, protecting your work surface and prolonging the life of the tool. It also includes a quick load magazine with a low staple indicator, so you'll always know when it's time to reload. If you're intrigued by what this tool offers, you can check it out in more detail and consider making a purchase through the link in the description. When evaluating any tool, it's important to weigh its drawbacks against its advantages. Here's a quick rundown. Cons: weight, slightly heavy at 6.3 pounds. Battery life: 500 shots per charge may require frequent recharging. Price: higher than some competitors. Now let's switch gears and look at what makes this stapler shine. Pros: cordless, no compressors or hoses needed. Dual firing modes, rapid and precise options. Tool-free adjustments, quick and hassle-free. Safety features: anti-ejection, dry fire lockout. LED lights, enhanced visibility in low light. The WORX WX844L is a powerhouse of a tool, offering professional-grade performance in a cordless portable package. Its combination of user-friendly features such as tool-free adjustments and dual firing modes makes it a versatile tool suitable for a variety of tasks. While it's slightly on the heavier side and comes with a premium price tag, the overall benefits, particularly the convenience of cordless operation and compatibility with the WORX PowerShare system, make it a worthy investment for serious DIYers and professionals alike. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Amazon link in the description for more details or to make your purchase today. Happy stapling!